Hi everyone, I'm Sunil Vyas. I'm regulated Canadian immigration consultant. So I would like to add that as per yesterday's invitation for express entry for category based selection, so I'd like to discuss more on that. So please be with me. So there are a couple of categories which would be qualifying under this category based selection under current 2023 immigration goals. So either an applicant should have, in case of French language proficiency, an applicant should have minimum score of 7 in all 4 language in French. This is first option. Second option is for healthcare occupations. So if you have experience as audiologist and speech language pathologist, chiropractor, dentist, dietitian, nutritionist, education counselors, general practitioners and family physicians, instructor of person with disability, kinetologist and other professional occupation in therapy and assessment, licensed practical nurse, massage therapist, medical lab assistant, medical laboratory technician, medical sonographers, radiologists, nurse aide, nurse practitioner, occupational therapist, other assisting occupations in healthcare, other professional occupations in health, diagnostic and treating, physician assistants, midwives, physiotherapists, psychologists, registered nurse, respiratory therapist, specialist in surgery, therapist in counseling and related specialized therapies. So these are the categories which are there for healthcare occupation. In case of science, technology, engineering and maths, that is also called as STEM. Let's see which occupations are eligible. Architects, architecture and science management, business system specialists, civil engineers, computer information system manager, computer engineers, except software engineers and designers, computer system developers and programmers, cyber security specialists, data scientists, database analysts and data administrators, electrical and electronic engineer, engineering managers, industrial and manufacturing engineers, information system specialists, land surveyor, landscape architects, mathematicians, statisticians, metallurgical and material engineer, natural applied science, policy researchers, software developers and programmers, software engineers and designers, urban and land use planners, web designers, web developer and programmers. So these are the categories which are qualifying under STEM, that is STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths. Now let's look at trade occupations which are eligible under this. So trade occupations like residential and commercial installers and services, elevator constructor and mechanics, machine filters, heating refrigeration and air conditioning mechanics, construction millwrights and industrial mechanics, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, except industrial and power system, welders, related machine operators, contractors, supervisors and other construction trades, installers, repairers and servicers. So these are the categories which are qualifying under trade occupation. Now when we look at transport occupation, in that case the qualifying occupations are aircraft assemblers, aircraft assembly inspector, transport truck drivers, railway traffic controller and marine traffic regulators, engineer officers, water transportation, deck officers, water transport, air traffic controller and related occupation, air pilots, flight engineers and flying instructors, air mechanics, air inspector, railway carmen and women, managers in transportation. So these are the eligible transportation occupations. In case of agriculture and agri-food occupation, the qualifying applicants would be contractors and supervisors, landscaping, ground maintenance and horticulture service, agriculture service contractors and farm supervisors, butchers, retail and wholesale. So these are the qualifying criteria. These are the qualifying categories which qualifies under the current like occupation based selection in 2023. Now when we look at the work experience which is required, then in that case the applicant should have 6 months of experience in last 3 years in Canada or abroad in single occupation listed as per like listed in the table or as I shared with you right now, and meet all other requirements in instructions for that round. So if you are falling under any of these categories and if you want to apply under express entry, so if you are under any of these categories and if you want to apply under express entry under this category based selection, then feel free to contact us, book an online consultation with us, visit our office, discuss it so we can help you to fulfill your objectives to migrate to Canada. Okay, so we look forward to see you in Canada, and if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.